I'm always looking for a faster, better, and easier way to adjust the tire pressures on my car. So I purchased this Milwaukee 2848-20 M18 Inflator. But is it really the best tire inflator? I needed to find out. I really love that this tool is cordless, inflates tires unbelievably quickly, and uses the same batteries as my other Milwaukee tools. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use it, show why I love it, but also mention a couple of things, well, that just aren't perfect. By the way, this is not a sponsored video, but I've included links to the products I use in the description below. So what makes this Milwaukee Inflator so special? Well, it's cordless. So it's far easier to move around the car. Its super powerful compressor will pump up your tires unbelievably quickly, faster than any other cordless inflator. By the way, that Milwaukee M18 battery is the same as in my drill, blower, and impact driver. So I just needed to purchase the inflator without the battery or the charger. It can memorize up to 4 different tire pressure settings, and it retains those settings even if you remove the battery. So for example, my car has different front and rear recommended tire pressure settings, so I enter each of one of those into the memory. My other cars have different tire pressures, so it memorizes those too. There's the onboard hose and needle storage, including the inflator nozzle and the press to check. It uses TrueFill technology. The auto pressure check feature activates to ensure PSI target is achieved. Automatic shutoff at selected PSI prevents overinflation. And you can pressurize tires up to a massive 150 PSI. It has a long onboard 36-inch hose, these rubber feet, so there's no dancing around while inflating. To use it manually, it's super easy. All you need to do is push down this button and watch the pressure gauge until it hits your right pressure, and then you can shut it off. Or you can just call up the memory and inflate it based on that memory. And it'll shut off once it gets to full pressure. And you can't beat that 5-year warranty. But all is not perfect. Yes, it's expensive, especially if you need to purchase the battery and charger with the system. Also, there isn't an integrated work light, but typically not a problem. And you can plug this system into a 12-volt system in a car as a backup power supply. Although that's never been a concern for me. Click here for my complete track day tire pressures video, and I'll see you there. Any questions or comments? Add them down below.